thanks for visiting us this morning at ArkLaTexHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Tuesday morning forecast update, and we have had some rain and thunderstorms overnight which continue to move through the region this morning. So you can see most of the rainfall here is confined to East Texas and Louisiana. And so the thunderstorms that we'll have to watch here, we've got them lined up, especially across Shelby, Sabine, and eventually into Natchitoches parishes here, and even some thunder back towards the Tyler area that we'll have to keep an eye on. That has produced a flash flood warning just outside of the ArkLaTex, and it is possible we could see some localized flash flooding again today. Look at some of the rainfall accumulations we've seen just in the past 24 hours. Radar estimating some 5 to 6 inch accumulations there along Interstate 49 through Natchitoches Parish and over towards Shelby, as well as Panola counties. We do have a few locations between Carthage and Center also indicating some 2 to 4 inch accumulation. So at this point, the ground's pretty well saturated. Any rain that comes in behind this could definitely produce some roadway flooding. We didn't see the heavier rainfall amounts around Shreveport yesterday, but there are some locations in and around town that did receive some heavy rain, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. And of course, we had a lot of flooding issues in Texarkana yesterday, as well as Cass County, so those are two locations we're watching, which aren't seeing much rain this morning, but eventually we do think we'll see some showers and thunderstorms make their way up towards you. So here's a look at satellite and radar. We still have that front as well as that area of low pressure, similar setup to yesterday, so we are going to see these scattered showers and storms on and off for much of the day. FUTURECAST does show some of those storms pushing north by late this morning, so if you're wondering when the rain will arrive in Texarkana, it may not be until after sunrise this morning, and it looks like we could see another round of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon south of I-20, where we're a little bit closer to that stalled frontal boundary, and you can see the repeated rounds of rain continuing through your Wednesday as well. Rain may not be as heavy tomorrow, but fairly scattered in nature, and we should begin to see a ridge of high pressure build in from the west as we continue through the week here, so that will likely start to shut the rain off on Thursday. And once we shut the rain off, looking at some very hot temperatures taking over for the weekend. These will be basically 48-hour rainfall totals. This will take you through Thursday morning, and again, don't focus so much on location here as more on just kind of focus on the potential, where you see the yellow there, some 3-inch amounts, and where you see the red, the potential for maybe 5 inches of rain or so. So there could still be some 3 to 5 inches of rain yet to come here. We don't have a flash flood watch, but again, this will likely produce some localized flash flooding, especially across East Texas and Louisiana today. Rain will hold our temperatures down. We will likely be in the low to mid 70s here for much of the morning, and your highs later today will wind up in the mid 80s, so even a few degrees cooler than yesterday in many locations. So it is going to be, again, pretty cool day for July. Pretty rare that we get those 80-degree days, but we'll likely see another one again tomorrow. And then we'll start to dry out Thursday into Friday. It looks like we'll probably see the heat advisories back for the weekend. We do have highs forecast to reach the upper 90s Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and with the high humidity, we'll have heat index values that will be closer to 108, 110 degrees through the weekend. So it looks like some heat setting up for the weekend. Overnight lows will be in the 70s.